Hi guys, today is gonna be part 2 of why you should not buy the Galaxy Fold and how we could make it better. Let's go ahead and take a look. Hi guys, so I was reading over the comments I made about Galaxy Fold do not buy, and I give you my scientific reasons why you should not buy it. Now, a lot of us people are saying, why you not buy this and review it? Well, for all the reasons I told you, I wouldn't buy one, and that was the whole point of the video, that I don't have to buy this phone to know that it's gonna be very uncomfortable to unfold the phone to use the damn smartphone. Alright, but you can go take a look at many of the reviews here. This is the #1 review you'll see, Galaxy, if you type in Galaxy Fold review on Google. And right now the #1 review is on CNET. We'll go take a look at some of the stuff here. We hem, however, fragile glass screen that covers every phone display. You don't realize how durable this glass is, glass 6, until you baby a polymer screen that can break under pressure and sustain damage if your fingernail hits it wrong. So you can see he can make this indentation with simply his fingernails. That's permanent damage to your Galaxy Fold. That is pretty bad. I'm actually a fan of Samsung to make very perfect devices, because I expect them to make perfect devices. Like my Galaxy Note 10 Plus is a nearly perfect device, no flaws. Whereas the Galaxy Fold, as you can see here, it's not a perfect device. They're still launching it. Do you guys remember the Galaxy Note 7? That was the bomb. Even though Samsung has gone through that horrific phase of recalling every Galaxy Note 7, yet they're gonna still launch this phone with a clear problem with a very weak protective cover, right? Another thing to think about is the weight, the Galaxy Fold's weight. It is very, very heavy. The technology is simply not there. You wait another 2-3 years, we're gonna be able to make this much, much lighter. Alright, the point I made about Galaxy Fold being too small to use as an actual smartphone when it's folded. And you can see a review right here on CNET. It says the thing that the reviewer hates most is the 4.6-inch screen. It says, it didn't take long for me to remember that typing on Galaxy Fold's 4.6-inch display is a challenge. Walking, it's almost impossible. The Galaxy Fold has not been designed for you to use it folded. That is the biggest problem. It's not even a real tablet size. It's really a smartphone that you have to unfold. Now, with at least traditional flip phones, you can just simply flip open and close. But with the Galaxy Fold, it's much harder to do, especially with one hand. And looking at Tom's guide, you could see the negatives here. Front display is too small. Crease can be distracting. Alright, the point is that I already know about this. I already told you guys this. I don't need to buy this to know this. This is common sense, guys. And all I wish for you guys is to use common sense. This is a complete failure before even launching, especially considering that the display can be damaged even with your fingernail. That's a huge problem. I heard it costs about $1,000 to replace the screen. Of course, you can keep using it like that. So Samsung, think hard. If you release right now, you're gonna have literally more than 50% of your customers complaining they broke the screen, they damaged the screen with their fingernail. We're gonna see exact Note 7 bomb fiasco again. I am trying to save you guys $1 billion by not launching this phone. Just don't launch it. Just scrap it. You will actually save money this way. Another very good idea. Alright, slash the prices to a price where you don't make profit. Just like how Google sells their phones. When Google started selling their phones, they sold it without profit. Alright, it is because they want to make that device popular before the second version. Especially a lot of times the first version is very prototype-ish. That's what I see with Galaxy Fold. Instead of trying to market this as a luxury device, admit it, you guys failed. This is a prototype device you're selling at luxury prices. Slash the prices to $1,000, maybe $800. Sell it at a loss. Then at least consumers won't complain so badly when they can permanently damage their Galaxy Fold with the fingernail. Anyway, I hope Samsung does the right thing, but I can't believe they're launching the Galaxy Fold, even knowing that the display has problems. What you guys think? Leave your thoughts in the comment box below. Have a great day, and as always, stay folded.
Click here to subscribe.